Arrive in style with this 2014 Chevrolet Silverado. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are wheelbase, 143.5 feet, overall length, 230.0 feet, seatbelt pretensioners, front, 212 VDC power outlets, coil front spring, radio data system, front independent suspension, wheel diameter, 17, and regular front stabilizer bar. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.